We had another Studebaker and he travelled up from Oxford, drove here all the way, came around the ring, told us a little bit about it, and he's gone home. So, you know, these vehicles, they do drive a fair way when they're going. Lost it today while being here, so if you could hand it in, that'd be fantastic. We've got the birds of prey coming on next, so hang about, see the birds of prey. They are fantastic.
Einstein, he said, sanity is doing the exact same thing multiple times, so expect different results. Let's find out. Well, we're back, so this is Sway again.
Oh.
I can't remember what I told you about this bird and what I haven't, I can't remember where it was. So, camouflage, I think we were talking about. Sway, come on then. Over here. Come on then, on there. Let's carry on, that's it, good boy. Good boy. There we go. So, as an animal, there's multiple different ways to camouflage. You can either get your colours to match whatever you are stood on, or you can change the shape of your body. And these camels can also do that. Now, he doesn't obviously change the shape of his own body, but all of those feathers he's got, Sway, come on over here. No, don't look away. Sway, no, we're not doing this again. Sway, Sway, just look what nice head. Sway, I'm here. Sway, excuse me.
But I mean, even that Donington round, £2.5 grand just for the one. Because I think I went last year and they got like the rule. The international. That's it, yeah. Like, that international race to enter that was £2.5 grand.
Right, that's what's happening. We're having food. We're flying.
Which is older. Yeah. Neighbour ring and you get travel money. And now that's. Yeah, they go to the morning. Yes, yeah, they all go into the morning.
Yeah, what's that to say? Yeah? Shout once for yes, twice for no. What was it, yes? I'll give you answer what I said to you. Okay, right. Well, I'm not entirely sure what to do with him because he was the main most reliable bird.